Tell me, sister, how do you feel when that man